Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to transfer contacts from Android to Android. If you want to transfer your contacts, so you have some methods for do this. The first method is that you just have to copy the contact. As you can see, I am going to share this contact, so just copy the number, and after that you just have to share it on SMS on WhatsApp, but you can share it directly. Share contact with Bluetooth etc. But if you want to share all contacts or transfer all contacts to Android, so let's see how can I do this. You just have to log in same Gmail account in both Android phones and then go to settings. In settings, just go for Google. Here's that, tap on it. In Google, just select all services, and here you just have to look for Google Contacts Sync. Here's that option, you just have to tap on it, and here you can see the sync device and sim contacts are off. You just have to tap on it and you have to enable the setting, and here you have to select the Gmail which you want to log in on those devices, as I've selected. And after doing this, you just have to log in the same Gmail on the other device and then tap on restore contacts, and that's how you can easily transfer contacts from Android to Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.